I mean, our firefighters and our police officers and our EMTs and a lot of other folks that put their life on the line every day for all of us so that we can come out here and do what we want to do when we want to do it. And this song reminds me of all of you every night that I am privileged enough to sing it. If you got anybody in your life that fits into that category, you find a light and you hold it up for them tonight. Let's make this a magical night for them. 89 cents in the ashtray, half-empty bottle of Gatorade rolling in the floor. That dirty brace cap on the dash, dog tags hanging